Namaskar. Today we'll study the difference between a diploid cell and a haploid cell. So before that, let us see how the cell looks like. This is a figure of an animal cell, and you can see here the outside the plasma membrane, and in the cytoplasm organelles are there, and this is the nucleus, and inside the nucleus there is the chromatin network, the chromosome. And this chromosome, how it is present, and you can see that this we call it as genome, the chromosome or the DNA, which is the hereditary material in all living cells. The nuclear DNA and the mitochondrial DNA in an animal cell together known as the genome. So the entire set of genetic instructions found in a cell is the genome, and how this genome is organized. You can see the DNA, which is having the diameter of 2 nanometer, is condensed, and initially it is euchromatin. During this euchromatin condition, it can be transcribed. The DNA can be transcribed, or DNA will undergo transcription to produce the messenger RNA, but further condensation will result in heterochromatin, and during cell division at the metaphase of mitosis, the structure is like this. This is the structure of a chromosome with two chromatids, and the smaller arm is the P arm and the longer arm is the Q arm. And you can see how they are located in the nucleus. In the periphery, this heterochromatin is there, and centrally this euchromatin, which is 90 to 92%, is located, and heterochromatin is 8 to 10%. But during cell division, the condensation results in the DNA remains in the form of chromosome, and we have two sets of chromosomes in a diploid cell. So the diploid cell contains two complete sets of chromosomes. So we can have 2n number of chromosomes. For example, in human diploid cells, it is 23 pairs, or 23 into 2, 46 chromosomes. Whereas the haploid cell contains only one complete set of chromosomes. So there are n number of chromosomes. That means a haploid cell contains 23 chromosomes. So when we say two complete set of chromosomes, that means this pair, one of the pair is from the mother and the other pair is from the father. Whereas in case of the haploid cell, for example, the sperm, ovum, the gametes, the chromosomes is n number of chromosomes. So when the sperm and the ovum combine together, they form the zygote, and now this zygote is having 2n number of chromosomes. Now this zygote divides. Further division leads to production of number of cells, and through differentiation we get different types of cells, and the somatic cells like skin, blood, muscle, liver, all the cells, they have 2n number of chromosomes, two sets of chromosomes. But the gametes have, that means the germ cells, the haploid germ cells have only n number of chromosomes. And these diploid cells, say the parent cell is having 2n number of chromosomes, So one cell divides into two cells, and both the cells will have 2n number of chromosomes. So this is mitosis. So diploid cells are produced by mitosis. Whereas in case of haploid cells, the diploid cell, the 2n, first it will undergo the reduction division, and there will be production of two cells, two haploid cells, and so these germ cells are these are with n number of chromosomes, and they further undergo cell division to produce again n number of chromosomes. So from one diploid cell we can have 4 haploid cells, and this is by the process of meiosis, whereas from one diploid cell we can have 2 diploid cells by the process of mitosis. So this is all about the difference between diploid cell and haploid cell. Thank you.